Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a problem that many iPhone and iPad users face, the dreaded message, "This Apple account is not active." If this happens, don't worry, you are not alone. This issue can occur for several reasons. Maybe your Apple ID was disabled for security, maybe you entered the wrong password too many times. Whatever the reason, in this video, I'll walk you through 3 proven methods on how to fix this Apple ID is not active error step by step. Sometimes, the simplest step works. Restarting your iPhone can refresh the system and remove temporary glitches. This method works on all iPhone models. I will use my iPhone 11 to show you how to restart the device to solve the "This Apple account is not active" issue. First, press and hold the volume up button, then quickly release it. Then press and hold the volume down button, then quickly release it. Press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. If the issue was just a temporary glitch, you'll be able to log in normally. But if you still see the error, "This Apple ID is not active," then let's move to method 2. The second method is to reset your Apple ID password directly from Apple's official website. Open a browser and go to iforgot.apple.com. Follow the on-screen prompts. You might be asked to enter your phone number linked to your Apple ID. Choose how you want to reset your password. But here's the catch. If you no longer have access to your recovery email or phone number, you won't be able to reset your password this way. That's where method 3 comes in, the ultimate solution. Now let's talk about the most powerful solution, FoneTool Unlocker. This is a professional iOS unlocking software that helps you remove screen passcode, Apple ID, screen time passcode, and iTunes backup encryption from your iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. First, launch the program and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. In FoneTool Unlocker, select the option Remove Apple ID. The program will detect your device model and iOS version. Before continuing, FoneTool will give you reminders. For example, if Find My iPhone is turned off, FoneTool can remove Apple ID without erasing your data. Click Remove Now to begin the process. During the removal, the software may ask you to set a temporary backup password, such as 1234, just for security purposes. Enter it, confirm, and proceed. Then enter the lock screen password on your iPhone to continue fixing the "This Apple ID is not active" issue. Once everything is confirmed, FoneTool Unlocker will begin removing the Apple ID from your iPhone. The process usually takes just a few minutes. During this process, keep your iPhone connected to your computer. Let's skip this process. When the process is complete, your iPhone will restart. After rebooting, the Apple ID will be completely removed. You'll see the welcome screen, and you can set up your iPhone as if it's brand new. Now you can log in with a new Apple ID, and your iPhone will work without restrictions. Alright guys, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helped you understand why you might see the message "This Apple ID is not active" and gave you the tools to fix it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.